After watching to this video, you will never joke with okra again. Guys, in today's video, I will be sharing with you how to make okra gel that will help to grow your hair. Like your hair will grow very well, very full, very fast, and very thick. Like you will beg your hair to stop growing and your hair will refuse to stop growing. This okra gel is very effective because, guys, do you know that okra is very good when it comes to stimulating hair growth? Okra is very good. It will make your hair full, make your hair thick, and it will grow your hair very well. Like you will beg your hair to stop growing and your hair won't stop. And this recipe is very effective. All you need to do is to get your okra. Okay, get your okra. And you know, this is okra season, so with 500 naira, 300, you can even beg them to give you just 300 naira on, okay? Or you can even select from the one you want to cook in your house. So all you need to do is to get your okra. Please make sure you wash it, okay? Make sure your okra is properly washed. Like wash your okra seeds very well, okay, and slice them into a clean bowl. You can also decide not to slice it. If you want to blend it, it is also okay. It is perfect. All you need to do, make sure you cut it into small pieces, like you get it into small pieces so that it will work very effectively for you, okay? Okra is very good when it comes to stimulating hair growth because okra contains a lot of vitamins in it. It contains vitamin A, it contains vitamin C, and it also contains vitamin K along with folate and iron, and these vitamins are very good when it comes to helping your hair to grow, okay? They are very good. They nourish the hair follicles. They are very good. They stimulate blood circulation, and they also promote faster, stronger, and healthy hair. They are very good when it comes to helping your hair to grow. They will make your hair grow fuller, darker, thicker, and longer, okay? So after you are done putting it in a clean bowl, get a clean bowl that has a container, a clean bowl that you can cover. After you are done putting it in a clean bowl, like putting all your okra in a clean bowl, the next thing you are supposed to do is to get a clean hot or warm water. I used hot water here, so get hot or warm water, okay? So when you get your hot or warm water, you pour it into that okra, okay? Pour it into that okra and cover it. Make sure you cover it very well. Then you keep it in a very cool place and allow it to stay overnight. You will keep it. It is going to stay there for a day, but guys, I allowed mine to stay 2 days because I want it to work perfectly, like very effective for me. So I allowed mine to stay 2 days. But please, you can also decide to allow yours to stay for 2 days. But if you're not patient enough, there is no problem. Even a day will do the job, okay? But please allow it to stay for a day so that it must have released all the vitamins in it, you know, all the nutrients in the okra, so that when you use it, it will work very well for you, okay? Guys, okra is very good when it comes to growing your hair. Like if you haven't started using okra gel to grow your hair, you are missing out. You are missing, okay? You're missing a lot. So this was after 2 days. I left mine for 2 days, so this was after 2 days. I now bought it out. So all you need to do after you are done, maybe 2 days or a day, then you bring it out and separate it. Like you can use a hair net. You can also use a net, like ordinary net. You can also use safe, okay? So anything you want to use, just get the thing and save it. You extract it, okay? You get it, you put in a clean bowl, another bowl, and extract it, okay? So besties, this is after I'm done extracting the juice. Like this is the gel. Did you see how clear it is? You see, it is very clear. It is because it was properly washed before I started the whole thing, okay? So make sure you wash your okra very well before you start, so that it will be very clean. Okay, and also make sure that all the containers you'll be using, they are properly washed. Okay, so after you're done extracting the gel, the next thing you're supposed to do is to get a spray bottle. If you don't have a spray bottle, that's not an issue. Just get a container that has a cover, okay, and transfer it into it. Then you cover it. Just get something that you can use, something that you can use, you're not struggle to use, something that has a cover, so that whenever you want to use it, you open it, apply it on your scalp, and also close it back. Okay, so this is you see how clean, how clear, how bright it looks. It is because everything I use were very clean, like they were properly washed. Okay, they were properly washed. So I'll make sure all the things you'll be using are clean. Okay, so you cover it, keep it in a very cool place. Then when you want to use it, all you need to do is to make sure you apply it into your scalp. Okay, make sure you apply it into your scalp and massage it very well. Like I always say in my video, you can decide to apply it when your hair is not done, like when you haven't weaved your hair, it is also okay. But to get the maximum result that you desire, I'll advise you to weave your hair, like make your hair, you can do a twist, then you apply it into your scalp, so that it will go inside your scalp, like it will go inside the root. Then you massage it. Okay, whenever you apply a hair treatment on your hair, do not forget to massage it. This will enable your hair to start growing. Okay, it will enable your hair to grow very well. It will help when it comes to growing your hair. So make sure you apply it into your scalp, and also apply it on your edges, like your front hair, your hairlines, the edges of your hair, and you can also apply it on your hair. So make sure you apply it very well, and also massage it. Make sure you massage it. Okay, massage it very well. When you apply, you massage it very, very well. Okay, so someone will ask me, should I apply this and wash it off? It's not a must that you wash it off immediately. You can apply it and get some tiny wrap, cover your hair, and wait for 30 minutes before you wash it off. You can also apply it and decide not to wash it off that day. It is also very fine. Okay, please do not apply this and wash it off immediately. No, I like to stay for some minutes, like let it sit in your hair before you wash it off. Guys, please make sure you subscribe, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, join the family. Okay, because here you will be learning a lot of things regards to growing your hair, whether relaxed or not relaxed. Okay, so make sure you join the family. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section. I will attend to it. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really do appreciate it. Please subscribe. Bye guys.